Good evening to everybody. I hope all of you are able to hear. All of you able to hear me? Okay, fine. So let's start up. Well, we're starting from the same point, and I guess all of you will come with the revision. So last point, what we discussed, this question I was discussing. So in this one more time, I will just give the brief idea. The sum of 4 digits. Whenever you have to find the sum, first thing find out the key sum of all the unit place, then tenth place, then hundred place, then thousand place, and then only apply the formula. Simple formula is there ki s equal to tenth place unit place, whatever the sum is coming. Unit place, suppose u I am writing to u into 1 plus tenth place, suppose t I am saying sum of all the digit at tenth place is t, to t into 10, and sum of all the 100 place, all the digit summation is the h, to h into 100, and so on. This is the process will be following. So for this question, I guess last time we discussed also nearly, and some of you given the answers also. So we can go ahead and check it very quickly. To unit place 8 will come, how many way the things can be happen? Unit place 8 to this place can be filled by 3 way, repetition is not allowed. And this place can be filled by 2 way, this place can be filled by 1 way. This is the 8 I am fixing here. Whenever you want that key, every arrangement, every appearance should have the fixed rule. It means like last place should be 8. So fixed 8. The 8 I fix here. It's not 8 way, be clear. This is the 8 I fixed here. So this place I filled only by 1 way. So total number of numbers will be there where the last place will be 8, that is the 6. Last place 6, that is the 6 will be there. So sum of unit place will be what? 6 into whatever digit, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. And that will be equal to your 10, 10, 20 and 120. And 10th place also, that will be 120 will come. 100 place also 120 will come. And 1000 place also 120 will come. Your summation will be equal to 120 into, because 120 I can take common, 1 plus 10 plus 100 plus 1000. So this is going to be 120 into, and this will become, I think, 4 times 1. And whatever product will come, that will be your answer. I'm sure this point is clear. So just for the brief revision of the previous things, we will be doing the questions. Some small question we'll do, and then we'll proceed further. So very quickly, everybody is going to give me the answers. Just this is the revision of the previous class. Everyone is going to give the answers quickly. Three-digit odd number that can be formed by using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 when the repetition is allowed. Quickly, everybody, it's a simple question. This much time you should not take it. Okay. So I guess you understood that it's a simple three-digit odd number. 1, 2, 3. 3 digit. 3 digit means 3 places we have to fill. So odd number has to come. To last place should be odd digit only can come. So this place restriction is there. I will fill this place first. So this place can be filled by how many way? Either 1 can come, or 3 can come, or 5 can come. 3 way. Rest, no restriction to free arrangement. So total 6 is there. This place can be filled by the 5 way. There the repetition is allowed. The repetition allowed means whatever digit came here, same thing can come here also. This place can be filled by 6-way. This place also can be filled by 6-way. The total, I guess, 36 into 3, and that will be 18 and 108. B will be the answer. I hope it's clear to everybody. Next, this is just revision of previous class. Quickly, everybody. Everyone fast. So this much time, if you will take, it means you did not understand the previous things. How many 5-digit of number can be formed? By using this number, repetition of digit is not allowed. Check it here. How many numbers of 5-digit can be formed? This means we have to fill the 5 places. When repetition is not allowed, this is very important line. You have to always check that repetition is allowed or not in the object. Using this digit, we are having total 5 objects, and all 5 are different objects. We have to form simply no condition, 5-digit only. So now here, since 0 is there, so there is a restriction on this place. If this 0 is not there, then there is no restriction. Directly we can solve. But since there is the 0 is there, so we'll say that this place can be filled by only by the 4-way, and now no restriction. So this place can be filled by the 4-way only, and this will be 3-way, this will be 2-way, this will be 1-way. So total will be 16 into 8 and 16 into 6, sorry. So that will be 696, A option. And this question also people are giving, some people are giving wrong answer. Next, quickly, just revision. Very simple question. I don't want to ask, but still I'm asking. Given 8 different physics books, 7 different chemistry books, 5 different mathematics books. Wording always keep in mind. Your P and C then only will be starting. Different. Quickly answer. Quickly answer, everybody. Understand the question. These are very simple questions. I just wanted to make you practice to identify the questions and where you have to apply and where you have to apply or. Okay. 8 different physics books, 7 different chemistry books, 5 different mathematics books. If I'm asking how many total number of books are there, we'll say 8 plus 7, 15 plus 5, 20. How many ways there can be select one book? I want one book out of 20 book. This is only 20 way. No need of math, physics, chemistry. If I'm not mentioning math, physics, chemistry, then also does not matter. Because they are saying just select one book. 20 books are there. All 20 are different. So there are 20 different choices are there. Means answer will be directly 20. It does not mean that physics, chemistry or mathematics. If I change this question, now again ask me answer me this question to all of you. Question everybody. This answer. In how many ways we can select 3 books one from each subject. One from each subject. Each subject. Now tell me what will be the answer. Now I have to select 3 books, one from each subject. Quickly answer. I need to select 3 books, one from each subject. Understand difference between the previous question and this question. I need to select 3 books, one from each subject. See meaning of this question. I want one maths book and one physics book and one chemistry book. This is what the meaning. In how many way I can select one maths book? 5 maths books are there. One math book I can select by 5 way. And means multiplication. One physics book means 8 way. And one chemistry book means 7 way. Whatever the multiplication, I'm not going for 40, 280, I guess. Yes or no? Is this clear to everybody? Next. How many 4-digit possible with possible repetition can be formed with no digit less than 4? With no digit less than 4. With no digit less than 4. How many 4-digit number can be formed with no digit less than 4? Very simple question. No need of full calculation. You can give the answer in different without calculation in form of multiplication or something. I'm not here to check your calculation speed. Understanding is important. 4-digit. I have to form the number using the digit no less than 4. It means I can use the digit 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only this much. 3 I cannot use. 2 I cannot use. 1 I cannot use. Means 6 digit I am having. Repetition allowed. No restriction because 0 is not there. There is no restriction. So this place can be filled by 6 way and this place can be filled by 6 way and this place 6 way and 6 way. The answer will be 6 raised to power 4. I hope it's clear to everybody. Am I right? Next. This question. Don't take much time. Quickly do. Understand the question and then hit on the question. Do not apply any formula if you already know any formula, these, that. Avoid formulas. Do by basic method. Just simply counting. That's all. Only one student given answer till now. If anyone feeling I'm going fast, I can make it slow. Okay, let's get it started. 3-digit number we have to form using 1, 2, 3, 4. Find how many of them are there when repetition of digit is allowed. Means permitted, allowed. So 3-digit number I have to form. Repetition allowed. This can be filled by 4-way. This also can be filled by 4-way. These are also 4. This is called the free arrangement. There is no restriction. So answer will be 64. So first bit answer 64. Second bit, repetition of digit is not allowed. Damn simple question. This will be filled by 4-way and this will be 3-way. This will be 2-way. So that will be 4, 3, 12 into 2, 24-way. Repetition of digit is not permitted but contain the digit 3. It's a good question. Repetition of digit is not permitted but contain the digit 3. Now listen carefully this. Before I solve this bit, you have to understand the meaning of the question. Carefully watch. Forget about this question. Just think about the brand new question. Suppose by using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Using this digit, I have to form 4-digit number. 4-digit number I have to form. You'll say yes. So tell me one of the number. You say 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the one of the number. Any other 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also the number. 2, 7, 4, 5. That is also can be happen. Repetition not allowed, I'm saying. But imagine I put a condition not on the place. I put a condition on the object. These are the object. Till now, whatever the situation we seen, there was the restriction on the place was there. Now I'm going to put another restriction. I want to put restriction on the object. If I say, in how many way I can form the 4-digit number if every number should contain the digit 1. If every number should contain the digit 1. Do you understand the question? In how many way 4-digit number I can form it if every number contain the digit 1. This is what the meaning of this question. So think carefully. Whenever there is the restriction on the place, what we used to do? We used to fill that place first. Whenever there is a restriction on the object, always make that object to be placed. Listen carefully. Restriction on the place, to that place must be filled first. Restriction on the object, to that object must be placed first. So 1 should come on every number. So first I will tell to 1, please go and take your chair. 1 will come here. He will see all 4 places are empty. One of the place he has to take. So 1 can be placed in how many ways? In 4 ways. Either here or here or here. Where he is going to take place, I don't know. But 1 can be placed by the 4-way. Now, rest, think carefully. 1 already gone. I don't know which place is filled anywhere, but 3 place left. That 3 place now we are going to fill. Total 7 object was there. 1 object already placed. Suppose he placed here. So rest 3 places can be filled by the how many way? This place 6-way, this place 5-way, this place 4-way. Means 30 into 4, 120. So we'll say rest 3 places can be filled by what? 120 way. So total number of way, 1 should be placed and rest 3 places should be filled, and the total will be 840. Correct? No, sorry, 480. Is this clear to everybody? Can you confirm? Is this point clear to everybody? Whenever there is the restriction on the object, that object should be placed first. After that, rest places and rest objects should be arranged. Am I clear to everyone? So now for this question. Repetition of digit is not allowed but contain the digit 3. Think carefully. 3-digit number I am forming. Repetition not allowed, but whatever number you are forming, there 3 must come. So I will tell 3, please go and take your place. So 3 will take me places in how many way? 3 way, either here or here or here. So 3, one place filled, and means multiplication. Balance 2 places. Which 2 places? I don't know. But balance 2 places and 3 object, 1, 2, 4. This place can be filled by 3 way, this place can be filled by 2 way. So total will be what? 6 way. So 3 into 6, 18. The answer of this question will be 18. Let me see anybody given the answer. No. I'm not able to see anybody giving correct answer. Is this clear to everybody? Remember, well, in permutation combination, 3-4 things are there. You should know object, which kind of object. You should know that where is the places which you have to fill it or count it. Next, object restriction is there on the object or restriction is there on the place. If restriction on the place, first I will fill that place. If restriction on the object, first I will fill that object. I will place that object. That is what the simple idea you have to keep in mind. Throughout, from last lecture to this point, whatever I'm trying to teach you, this is the what I'm trying to tell you. The object and place game is there. Don't get confused. Just concentrate. There is the restriction is on the object or on the place. Very rare will be there is no restriction. Because if there is no restriction, whatever way you want to do it. But 99.99% restriction will be there. And that restriction you have to identify where exactly restriction they are trying to put it. And then you can easily get the answers. So let's see, do you want to change the answer of that fourth bit? Fourth bit. Somebody asking, supposed to be 6 power 6 into 1. No. See, some doubt somebody is not supposed to be 6 into 1. No, 6 into 1, how it can be? See, for this question, some people can get doubt, sir, this is a 3 into 2 and balance one place will be filled by 3. When you say 6 into 1 into 6 or 6 into 1, means you are trying to say 3 will be fixed at the first place. Not necessary, no. 6 here also, 6 can come here also. I hope I'm clear to the person who asked the doubt. Okay, last bit of the question. Let's check the last bit. Repetition of digit is permitted, means you can repeat any digit, any number of times and contain the digit 3. This is the very good question. 3 should be there. Now this is called the reverse way of solving the question. What is the meaning of reverse way of the question, solving the question? They are asking 3 should come. So what I will do? I will do reverse way, meaning first repetition of digit is permitted. Free arrangement, no condition. This place can be filled by 4 way, this place can be filled by 4 way, this place can be filled by 4 way. So what will be answer? 64. 16 into 4, 64. Listen me carefully, everybody. What is the meaning of this? There are 64. If repetition is allowed, there are 64 different number can be formed. 64 different number can be formed. In that 64, there may be chance ki 111 this number, 124 this number, 123 this number, 142 this number. Yes or no? Or maybe 444 this number, or maybe 333 this number. What I want? I want all the number where at least 3 one time coming. 3 should contain. It means I don't want this. I don't want this. I don't want this. I don't want this. But I want this. I want this. To what way to solving this? Whenever you feel that key, you have to find out the number of way to do some job. But doing by the normal way become difficult. You can go by contradiction method. What is the meaning? I calculated total numbers, total possible number. And from this, I will remove those cases when 3 is not coming. When 3 is not coming. So how many 3-digit number is possible when 3-digit never appear? Repetition allowed. You say this can be filled by 3-way. This place can be filled by 3-way. This place can be filled by 3-way. The total will be what? 27. 27 numbers are there where 3 is not coming. And why? Because I did not consider 3 and I formed the number. Are you able to understand? So how many 27 numbers are there where 3 is not there? If I will remove from these total numbers, the total 64 minus 27 are which are the numbers? Those numbers where at least 3 one time came. So 64 minus 27, how much will become? 14 minus 7 is the 7 and 5 minus 2, 37. I guess my calculation is weak. So I guess I did correct. 2, 4, yes, 37. That will be the answer. Is this clear to everybody? Please confirm, everyone. Let me show you by other way also. Some people have the difficulty. I can understand. This point is not very big deal, but initial stage may be difficulty for some of the people. Let's do by normal way. Repetition of digit is permitted. Contain the digit 3. Contain the digit 3. What is the situation? Maybe only 1 time 3. Maybe 2 time 3. Maybe 3 time 3. This is the what can be happen. The situation can be happen. So what I'm trying to tell to you, first calculate without any restriction. Without any restriction, how many numbers are there? So we'll say 64 because this answer we got 64, same thing. But in this 64, there are the numbers where 3 is not coming. So let's create a new question, 5th bit of the question. How many 3-digit numbers where 3 does not appear? Does not appear. Repetition allowed. Repetition allowed. Think about this question answer. Forget this all 4 questions previous. How many 3-digit numbers are possible where number 3, digit 3 should not appear? So 3-digit number I have to form. By 3 is not appearing, to throw it out. No? How many objects you are having? 1, 2, 4. 3 I don't have to take. So this place can be filled by 3-way. Repetition allowed. So this place can be filled by 3-way. This place can be filled by 3-way. Total 27 numbers are there. 3-digit 27 numbers are there where 3 is not coming. 64 is what? 64 means everything. 3-digit number, everything. Means there are numbers where the 3 is coming, where there are number where the 3 is not coming. So total number of numbers where 3-digit always come. So this is the what the villain which you don't want. To remove from there. Out of 64 number, 27 numbers are there which are does not contain 3. So remove them. So 64 minus 27 and that will be equal to 37. I guess now it's clear. Those who did not understand in previously, can you confirm? Is it clear? Please keep on confirming so that I can go fast. Those who did not understand previous, okay. Let me show you some, because this is the problem for all of you. So let me do some few more question on this. Right now, everybody. How many different four-letter word can be formed? Four-letter word can be formed if, using A, B, C, D, E, F. If, first bit, repetition allowed. Second bit, repetition not allowed. Third bit, every word must contain letter A. In this case, repetition not allowed. Not allowed. Fourth bit, every word should contain at least one A if repetition allowed. Same kind of question I'm asking you. You can give the answers in terms of product itself. No need of full calculation. I'm not here to check your calculation speed. You can leave the answer in terms of the product. But do not use NPR, NCR, or any kind of the formula. Using formula will always make you handicapped. Little bit faster you have to go. First bit answer, somebody saying 4 raised to 4. How is it to be 4 raised to 4 by? 4-letter word you have to form. 6 object is there. It means 4 places is there. Speed up, speed up. I given the choice for not writing the full. You have to just give the in product form itself to save the time. Okay. First bit, 4-letter word. See, in the question paper, they will mention 4-letter word with or without meaning. So it's a common sense. Means we don't have to worry about the meaning of the word. Repetition allowed. 4-letter word. So this place can be filled by, because 6 object, no restriction. 6 way, 6 way, 6 way. The answer of this question will be 6 raised to power 4. Repetition not allowed. Then it's very simple. First place 6 way, and second place 5 way, and third place 4 way, and fourth place 3 way. That will be answer. That will be 30 into 12. 360, I guess. I may do calculation mistake. Now, third bit, it's important. Every word must contain the letter A. Repetition not allowed. Every word should contain letter A. Means A should come. At which place coming? It's not mentioned. Means restriction is there only on the object. So A will come. A can come here also. 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 So there are 4 choices for A. So A can be filled by 4 ways. And balance 3 places. Brand new question. Balance 3 places. And total object balance 5. Because A, I cannot use it. Repetition not allowed. So this place can be filled by 5 way. This place can be filled by 4 way. This place can be filled by 3 way. So that will become what? 60. And that will be 4, 20, 60. Yes, that will be equal to 240. Yes, no? And fourth bit. That is the question where you people are facing problem earlier. Every word should contain at least one A if repetition allowed. If repetition allowed, to 100% sure, total number of word will be how many? 6 power 4 minus those many words I will remove. If you have to remove the cases, you have to subtract. The number of word I have to remove, how many word are there which is does not contain A? So we'll create a new question. 4-letter word, no word should contain A. So this place can be filled by 5 way, 5 way, 5 way, 5 way, means 5 raised to power 4. The answer will be 6 power 4 minus 5 power 4. I hope it's clear to everybody. Am I right? Now, coming to the last point of the counting, and let's start up with this. Right now, till now, what we did actually, we are just counting it, how many way we can do this job. So I told you that there are 2 type of things. One is the OR and other is the AND. Whenever 2 job you have to do, either this or this, so whatever the way you can do first job plus whatever way you can do the second job. And if you have to do both, so we will multiply the number of ways. This is what we did. Without noticing one big problem. Sometimes 2 job you have to do. Listen carefully this point, everybody. Slightly difficult maybe for some of you, but listen. Suppose 2 job I have to do. Job 1 and job 2. Careful. Suppose this can be done by the 5 way and this can be done by the 4 way. If I say, in how many way I can do job 1 or job 2? You will say, very simple. 5 plus 4, 9. Yes or no? Because job 1 and job 2, I am taking totally different thing. But there may be possibility that when I did job 1, suppose job 1 is the 5 way is there. Suppose J1, J2, J3, J4, J5. This is job 1. And job 2, suppose I am representing by S1, S2, S3, S4. So we'll say either I will get J1 or J2 or J3 or J4, J5 or S1 or S2 or S3 or S4. The total 9 will come. That is the what meaning is this. But imagine a situation, if I say whenever you will do J5, S1 automatically will be done. Imagine it. Just imaginary case. This job whenever it will be done, this will be automatically will be done. Then this you cannot say 9. Are you able to understand my question? My point, what I'm trying to tell you? Have you understand? Or let's take, if I say from 1 to 10, how many number are there which is divisible by 2? 1 to 10, how many number divisible by 2? divisible by 2. Listen carefully, everybody. Don't write anything. So you'll say, sir, 2 is there, 4 is there, 6 is there, 8 is there. Between, I'm talking, so this much. Between 1 to 10. Between 1 and 10. Yes or no? Now, if I say, how many numbers are there which is divisible by 3? They will say, very simple. 3 is there, 6 is there, 9 is there. Yes or no? Now, if I ask you, listen carefully, in how many way I can select a number from between 1 and 10, which is either divisible by 2 or divisible by 3? Means either this job I have to do or this job you have to do. Will you say 7? No, because 6 is common. Yes or no? If I say how many numbers are there between 1 and 10, which is either divisible by 2 or divisible by 3, you will say, sir, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 6 is there. And 6 again you cannot write it. So you cannot say 4 plus 3, 7, because 6 only one time you have to count it. Are you able to understand? Just for example, I'm telling you. Can you confirm? Are you able to understand the point? So there may be chance that from 2 jobs, some common job should be there. In that case, you have to use the law of excursion, means set theory. From the set theory, you have to do. So always remember, this point you already know, but we have to use in permutation combination. Basically, when job 1, suppose job 1 I'm writing by J1 and job 2 I'm writing by J2. The number of way to do job 1 or job 2, this means n means number of way. It means the mathematical symbol for this one is the J1 union J2. Do you remember set theory? N of A union B equal to what? NA plus NB minus N of A intersection B. Everybody remember this point? This is the one. Till now, what we were doing just this. Same thing we were doing. But the addition principle says that okay, add these two ways, because we assume that between A and B there is no common job. But if there is a common job, you have to subtract that one, because that 2 time will come. Here also coming, here also coming. I guess I'm not trying to tell you any new method. You know this already. Set theory, you have to use it. Am I clear to everybody? So this point we have to use when we are solving the question. They are saying count the number of ways. They always check, keep your eye open. There may be something, it can be common. So that point you have to be clear. Let's do 1-2 questions so that you can get clear idea about this one. So that the counting can be over and we can really start permutation combination. So one of the question I'm showing to you. Try these questions, everyone. If anybody get answer, please let me know. Type the answer quickly. Please answer, calculate and give the answer. Don't give the power or something like that. Because I selected the question where the calculation should be less. So you can calculate that much calculation you can do. Till now, I did not get correct answer from anywhere. Yes, one person given correct answer. Quickly. No. Yes, one more person given answer. Check this. How many integers between triple line and 4 times 9? So between, be clear, between means you cannot consider this number or this number. So it means we have to use, after triple line, the next number will be 1000. Am I right? And before this, what the number will be there, that we have to see. Now, it means we have to form 4-digit number. They are saying that how many integers begin or end with the 3. So suppose A represent numbers begin with 3. Begin with 3. B represent numbers end with 3. So let's check it. A, first time calculation of A. Job A. Job A I want to do. So what is the job A? How many numbers are there which is begin with the 3? So begin with 3 means 3 is fixed here. I fix the 3 here. Rest anything I can fill it. This place can be filled by 10 way. This place can be filled by 10 way. This place can be filled by 10 way. Yes or no? So a number of way to do the job A, this is the symbol I am writing. NA means number of way to do job A will be equal to, this place can be filled by only one way, because I'm counting those number which start with the 3. So 3 can come, this is the only one way 3 can be placed here. So that will be equal to 1 into 10 into 10 means 1000. Now calculation of B, n of B, what will be that? What is the meaning? Number which is end with the 3 means 3 is here. Fixed 3 is here. Now rest places, how we can fill it? Now restriction came because this place is empty. So there is a restriction. 0 cannot come here. So this place can be filled by 9 way. This place can be filled by 10 way. This place can be filled by 10 way. And this is the 1 way because end is the 3. So this will be 10 into 10, 100 into 9, 900. Yes or no? Is there anything common between these two jobs? Yes, there is a chance that situation can come this way. Yes or no? Situation can come like this. So here job A is also satisfied, job B is also satisfied, means there is a chance that A and B both can be the calculation of A and B. That's represent A intersection B. This is the meaning set theory. I hope all of you remember. So this place can be filled by 1 way, this place can be filled by 1 way, this place can be no problem, 10 way, means that the 100. So total number of way to do the job A or job B, union means or, is equal to number of way to do job A plus number of way to do job B minus the common way to do both the job, because that is coming 2 times. Here also coming, here also coming. So 1 time I will remove. So that is equal to what? That will become 1000 plus 900 minus 100, and that is 1800 will be the answer. I'm sure everybody understood this point. Is it clear to everybody? Those who did not give the answer or give the wrong answer, please confirm, is it clear? When I'm asking, please confirm, means that time I'm able to see the chart. You have to consider zero in the first. Everything's your mind should be concentrated. Why took 10 places for these jobs? Sir, I have a doubt. Why we took 10 places for these digits? 10 places? I didn't understand your doubt. The person who's asking this doubt, please clarify. 10 places means what you're asking. Total digits are 10 digits, no? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The counting will be 10. I hope this is your doubt. By digits, 10 means 10 number is not coming here. 10 means 10 way I can fill it here. Either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. So how many ways there? 10 ways are there. So getting ready for next question, same type. Before I ask you next question, one answer everybody give me. Between 1 to 100, how many numbers are there which is divisible by 7? Divisible by 7. Between 1 to 100, how many numbers are there which is divisible by 7? Quickly, everybody. How many numbers are there which is divisible by 7? Between 1 to 100. Between 1 to 100, how many numbers are there which is divisible by 7? Yes. Between 1 to n, if I already told sometimes, but still I'm telling, between 1 to n is natural number. Numbers divisible by anything like by m will be greatest integer of n by m. Simple logic. But be clear, I'm counting 1 to n. So if I say between 1 to 100, how many numbers are there which is divisible by 7? So we'll say 100 by 7. And that 7 1 is 7. So 3, 4, 7, 4, 14 point something. Greatest integer of 14 point something will be 14. Just remove the decimal. It means 14 numbers are there which is divisible by 7. Suppose somebody asks you between 100 to 200, how many numbers are there which is divisible by 7? 100 to 200. So what do you do? First calculate 1 to 200, how many numbers divisible by 7? Then calculate 1 to 100, how many divisible by 7? Subtract that one because you want only 100 to 200. Am I clear to everybody? Because this concept you can use only for the if natural number start from 1. It's a very important concept. It has to be used every time. Sorry, let's start doing more question on this because this is the main point in the counting. The rest is the simple with the practice it will come. Question is in front of you. Let me see who can give me the correct answer. How many integers between 1 to 567 are divisible by either 3 what I told you for divisibility, that rule, follow that rule. Don't make your own rule. Just follow that. Three job is there. Job A, which is divisible by 3. Job B, number counting which is divisible by 5. Job C, number divisible by 7. Then you have to proceed further for that. I guess set theory, this point, everybody remember n of A or B or C is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A and B minus n of B and C minus n of C and A plus n of A and B and C. In the set theory, all of you, I already given you method how to write this one if more than 3-4 event is there. Give me answer quickly. Somebody had asking the questions are the rule works when n is also included. Check it. Check is it rule will be valid or not if n included. Suppose 1 to 10. How many numbers are there which is divisible by 2? You will say manually if you calculate 2, 4, 6, 8, between this much. 10 including, to means including 10. Now let's do by this method. 10 by 2, greatest integer of 10 by 2 is the greatest integer 5, that will be equal to 5. So remember, it will be always including the n. So whenever we say that key numbers divisible by m in 1 to capital N is equal to greatest integer of n by m. Here n is counting included. From 1 to n I said, not between 1 to 1 to n, everything is included. I'm sure now it's clear to you. Whenever you get confusion in any point, any particular point, always take a simple example, make cases and verify. That you will remember always. Quickly answer. Okay, I think some people given correct answer. Let's do it. I'm deciding the job. Means this part I'm taking as A, this is the B, this is the C. Think carefully. Number divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. By 3. Means what is coming? Greatest integer of 5, 6, 7 by 3. How much will become? 3 1 ja 3 and 3 8 ja 24 and 3 9 189 by 5. Greatest integer of 5 6 7 by 5, and that will be equal to 1 1 and 2. No, sorry, 3. Up now divisible by 7. By 7 means what? Means this is the NA I am calculating. This is the NB I am calculating. This is the NC I am calculating. So 567 divided by 7. So 881. Now, I want, is there anything common between A and B? Yes, of course, common can be happen because numbers are there which is divisible by 3 as well as 5 also. So that also we need to calculate. A intersection B means A and B, and that will be equal to what? 567 by 15 because 3 and 5 both. So that will be equal to how much? 15 3s are 45, 11, 11 7, 1 7, 15. How much will come? That's a problem. 37, 7, I think. Yes, 37. N of B intersection C. B intersection C means what? B and C both. So 5 in divisible by 5 as well as divisible by 7 means divisible by 35. So that will be equal to 567 divided by 35. Calculation how much? 35, 1 is 35. This is 35, 1. So that will be 16, I guess. 16. I may do calculation mistake, so please let me know if I am doing. C into C and A both, 3 and 7, 21. 567 by 21 is equal to 21 to this is that will be 27 to 2 for, yeah, 27, I guess. And now 3-way job is there. So there may be chance ki all 3 having some common. Yes. So 21 into 5, that will become a number maybe divisible by 357 means divisible by 105. So N of A intersection B intersection C will be 567 by 105, and that will be equal to how much? Will be, I think, 5. Yes, 5. So now all calculation has been done. We have to find N of A union B union C. Means either A or B or C. So that will be equal to what? NA plus NB means 189 plus 113 plus 81 minus 37 minus 16 minus 27 plus 5. So this will come, I guess, it will come, yes, 3. Let me use calculator. I think you don't have to use calculator. I'm using calculator. So it will be 308 between 1 and 567. 567. Is the 567 divisible by what? 567 divisible by 3. So be clear. They say that key between. So this number also we have to include. So 567 also we don't have to include, but here it's included. 567 is divisible by 3, included. So it means minus 1. So answer will be 307. Have you understand why I did minus 1? Because in the A, this is the included. 567 is divisible by 3. By 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 18, sum of digit is 18. So this is divisible by 3. So this is included inside this answer. But they say between. Between means what? They should not be coming to the, means that should not be included. So I removed that one. So I wrote 307 separately. In fact, I should do taking number 566. But since I started with the 567, just now I noticed because they mentioned in the chart ki between is mentioned. So it means this part we have to include, exclude. That's why I remove it. Those who got 308, that's correct. But only thing you have to use 566 when you are using this formula. Am I clear to everybody? Yeah, miss, that is satisfying condition. That's why I removed that 561. Those who got 308, no problem, because this is the between. They say you are taking including 301, a 308. The question was mentioned between. Those who got 308 answer, they will get correct answer. Just take the question as a 12566. you'll get the same 307. Right? So I guess all of you understood. One last question we do and then we'll finish. And this time I'm expecting from everybody answer. Because that confusion came, that's why I changed the question now. Find the number from 1 to 1000 which is neither divisible by 2 nor by 3 nor by 5. Reverse way you have to go. First calculate numbers divisible by 2 or 3 or 5. Then total number 1 to 1000 is the 1000 numbers are there. Remove from them those, you'll get the answer. Did you understand the question? You have to go by contradiction method. Reverse process you have to do. Somebody having one doubt. I'm just clearing for the previous question. If 567 is divisible by 3, 7, 21 won't be subtracted thrice. No. Why you will subtract thrice? That job we already discussed. No. That's already taken care. That's why we did by it is subtracted 2 times and then added 1 time. So only 1 time was there. Finally, when we did. I hope it's clear. So many people give an answer and they are giving correct answer. Very good. 1 to 1000, which is neither divisible by 2 nor 3. So I will go reverse way. Total number 1 to 1000, total numbers will be equal to 1000 because they are saying 1 to 1000 means from 1 to 1000. 1000 numbers are there. In this 1000 numbers, I don't want those numbers which is divisible by 2 or 3 or 5. So what we will say, this will be A. This is the A job, this is the B job, this is the C job, searching the number of ways. So NA will be equal to 1000 by 2, that will become 500. NB will be equal to 1000 by 3. How much it will become 1000 by 3? That will become, how much we? 333, I think. Yes, 333. And N of C, that is the 2200. Now N of A intersection B, A and B both means 6. So 6, if you divide it, that is going to be 1000 by 6. 1000 by 6 will be equal to your 166. 166. And n of b intersection c means 3 and 5, 15. So divided by 1000 by 15, that will become your 66, I guess. 66. And n of c intersection a means divisible by 5 and 2 both means 10. So that will be equal to 100. And there may be chance that all three can come to a intersection b intersection c, and that will be equal to what? 1000 divided by 30. 1000 divided by 30, and that will be equal to your 33. 33. So finally, n of a in union b union c, directly I'm writing 500. This is this plus this minus this minus this added, this subtracted, and this added. I'm using calculator to check this one. You have to do your own. So I guess it's coming 734. 734. So, but they don't want this many numbers are there which is satisfying any one of this condition or both condition or three condition. I don't want these numbers from there. So total number answer will be what? 1000 minus 734, and that is going to come, I guess, 266. Yes. Is it clear? Can I go ahead? Okay. So this was the counting matter, and now all of you understood what is the exactly object and what mean by the object and what is the meaning of the places and other things. Now here, problem is that when this counting method is that key, this is the manual job. Means so much multiplication will be coming. Multiplication will be coming, lot of addition will be coming. So to overcome this problem, somebody having doubts, can you explain exactly the end point of the questions? What exactly mean by this your doubts? So exactly end points of the question. What do you mean? End point means, are you talking about the one, the last 1000 point? Yes, it's from 1 to 1000, not between 1 to 1000. Correct. It's from 1 to 1 will be included in the domain. We did not include. Did we include the 1 included here or not? From 1 to 1000. This is included. Everything is included. Way. That's why I taken the 1000. No. 1000 number. So 1000 from 1000. This many I divided. Remove from this. So I think I'm doing correct. Where is problem? How 265? Wait, 1 is including, no? It's saying that from 1 to 1000, 1 included. That's why the total number I wrote 1000. Where the confusion is coming? I want, according to the question, find the number from 1 to 100, neither divisible by 2, 3. So 1 has to be included. That's why 1 included here. It's not mentioned between. It says that from this to this. I hope it's clear to you. Right? Let's go ahead. If it's mentioned between, it means that key one you should not consider, 1,000 you should not consider. You should start with, then change the question, na? Then make it 2 to 999. Suppose they say that key same question if they ask you to do. So what do you do? Calculate 2 to 999. Change the question. Don't write 1 to 1,000. Write 2 to 999. And then solve the question. Right? If it's mentioned between, then 2 to 999. Okay. So here problem what is coming up means when we are doing counting, this is the way we used to do counting, but this is this small set of objects. Permutation combination was developed for the large set of objects. Whenever the large set of objects are coming, at that time if you have to do counting, so it's a kind of the difficult situation. So for that we use the factorial and other symbol. They are just symbol to overcome this problem. Let me explain the point clearly to you. Suppose if I say, in how many way I can form 6-digit number using the digits 1, 2, 3, means everything 0 to 9. 6-digit, repetition not allowed. So what do you say? 6-digit is there. Okay, 3, 3, 6. This place will be filled by 9 way because 0 cannot come. And this place can be filled by repetition not allowed. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So you can see the multiplication what is coming, that is a little bit, this is not that much big problem, but still it's a problem. This much big calculation. So what they say that key, don't use this, use a symbol. It's called the factorial. So give the heading all of you, factorial. N factorial. This is pronounced as a n factorial. N factorial. N factorial, this some books will write, this very old book they will write. This way also can be written. Some old book used to like Hall and Night and all, if you refer, they will mention this kind of symbol. But we will use this symbol, n factorial. N factorial is what? N factorial means start from 1 and multiply till n. 3, 4, 5, so on till n it will go. This is the n factorial definition. Be clear, it's just symbol. It's not mathematical. It's not mathematical formula. It's just symbol. You have to use this symbol. N factorial equal to this. And if you notice very carefully, whenever you will do, suppose I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this means I'm talking 5 factorial. But if you do 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, that is the 4 factorial. So we can say 4 factorial into 5 is nothing but 5 factorial. Yes. So from here we can define another term. It's called as the n factorial. Any moment of time I can write it as n into n minus 1 factorial. You can break it as much as you want. Maximum of you already know factorial, so I'm not spending much time. The n factorial we can write this way also. Some common things, 0 factorial always equal to 1. Why it's 1? I will tell you later. 1 factorial is nothing but 1. 2 factorial is the 2. 3 factorial will be what? 3 into 2 into 1 is 6. 4 factorial will be 4 into 5, 3 into 2 into 1. That will become 24. And 5 factorial is the 120. This many, if you remember, it's always easy because every time we should not use formula. This is a very common use, so we should remember this. This is the n factorial meaning. N factorial is defined only. N factorial is defined only when n is greater than equal to 0 and n belongs to integer. Means n should be whole number. N should be whole number, means 0 and natural number. N factorial is not defined if n is fraction or negative. That is, you should keep in mind. Suppose if I ask you a simple question, very simple question. Find Find value of x if 9 minus x square factorial is defined. 9 minus x square factorial is defined. What are the possible value can be happen? So we'll say 9 minus x square must be greater than equal to 0. You can use polynomial inequality and you can tell that ki x will lie between minus 3 to plus 3. Understood my point? But at the same time, this quantity should be integer. This will be integer only when x square is integer. Yes or no? X square will be integer only when between them, what are the points can be happen, you have to consider. So what is the possible value of x can be happen? Possible value of x, so many value will come. Minus 3 will be there. And after that, see, x square should be integer. X square is lying where? X square should be less than 9. You can see here from here. So x square possible integer, what is possible value can be happen? Integer 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So x will be what? X can be 0, or plus minus 1, or plus minus root 2, or plus minus root 3, or plus minus 2, and so many possible value will come. Have you understand my point? But this quantity should be positive. So I wrote this one. But this should be integer. This will be integer only when x square is integer. X square condition is what? X square should be less than 1, 9 from here. The less than 9, what are the integers are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 9. Because x square cannot be minus 1. So x value will be 0, plus minus 1, plus minus root 2, plus minus root 3, and all this possible value. It's not part of your permutation combination, but just to tell you the meaning of that, what is the meaning of factorial I'm trying to tell. Am I clear to everybody? Is it done? Next, write a question. We are talking only factorial. Find the value of 1 into 1 factorial plus 2 into 2 factorial plus 3 into 3 factorial plus 4 into 4 factorial plus so on till 100 into 100 factorial. In term of factorial, you can give me answer. I will give you 2-minute time. Little fast, everybody. Check it here. There are how many terms are there? 100 term. 1 into 1 factorial, 2 into 2 factorial, 3 into 3 factorial, 4 into 4 factorial, till 100 into 100 factorial. Can I write rth term of this series? Rth term. Like first term, 1 into 1 factorial. Second term, 2 into 2 factorial. Third term, 3 into 3 factorial. 50th term, 50 into 50 factorial. What will be rth term? What will be rth term? Speak out. Rth term. Like T1 is the 1 into 1 factorial, T2 is the 2 into 2 factorial, T3 is the 3 into 3 factorial. So TR will be what? People will respond properly. Hey, fast, quickly. Yes, that will be R into R factorial. Okay. Whenever any series is coming and if it's not AP, GP or something, always do by the difference method. What is the meaning? I will tell you. TR we can write. Can I write this one this way? R plus 1 minus 1 into R factorial. By R we can write R plus 1 and minus 1. TR I can write R plus 1 into R factorial minus R factorial. Yes. R plus 1 into R factorial will be what? Like suppose somebody say 10 into 10 9 factorial. So that will become 10 factorial because n minus 1 into n factorial is the, n into n minus 1 factorial. N into n minus 1 factorial is equal to n factorial. So this will be equal to TR we can write as a what? R plus 1 factorial minus R factorial. This process is called as writing the general term in the difference form. I wrote in the form of difference. These two are same thing. There is no difference. Both are same thing. But here I wrote in the difference form. The benefit of writing difference form is what? Now from here, if I ask you what is the T1, you will say R equal to 1. I will put 2 factorial minus 1 factorial. T2 will be what? You will say that 3 factorial minus 2 factorial. T3 will be what? You will say 4 factorial minus 3 factorial. T4 will be what? You will say that 5 factorial minus 4 factorial. I have to add up to where? Up to T100. That will be 101 factorial minus 100 factorial. Yes or no? By this summation only we want. By first term plus second term plus third term. To add this complete series, if you add it, you can see very clearly this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled. Like this, all this will get cancelled. So what will left? Only here this will left and here this will left. This will become sum and sum will be 101 factorial minus 1 factorial. 1 factorial means 1. This is the answer. Is this clear to everybody? I guess only one student given me answer. Only he given the answer correctly. Right? So see difference, if you don't understand difference method, don't worry. In the progression topic, you will study this. That is called the telescopic method. This method is called the telescopic method. So that you will see there. But here is simply I given the things. So 101 factorial minus 1 is the answer. So this will be the basic of this PNC is over. Now we will be starting the real PNC, means using NPR, NCR, grouping, distribution, all this selection, arrangement, all these cases we have to discuss. So we'll be discussing all this point in the next lecture, right? Next lecture will be on the Monday, 6:30 to 8. Chali. Thank you very much. Thank you.